In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and customize the cookie banner on your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. This process is crucial for ensuring that your website complies with data protection regulations and provides transparency to your visitors. Now, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to log in to your Hostinger Website Builder account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Look to the left side of your screen and you'll see a sidebar. Here, find and click on the option labeled Websites List. This is where all your active websites are located. Click on Edit Website for the site where you want to enable the cookie banner. This action takes you directly into the Hostinger Website Builder interface, allowing you to make adjustments and enhancements. Now that you're inside the Website Builder, your next stop is the General tab. This section houses various settings related to the overall configuration of your website. It's a one-stop shop for making broad changes, which include how your cookie banner will be displayed to visitors. Navigate through the options until you locate the General settings. Once you're in the correct tab, scroll down until you reach the section dedicated to the cookie banner. It might take a second to spot it, as it's usually nestled among other settings. Here, you'll see a switch that controls whether the cookie banner is enabled or not. Go ahead and toggle this switch to turn on the cookie banner. Immediately, you'll see options that allow you to edit how this banner will look and what it will say. Customization is key to making sure your cookie banner doesn't just protect your website legally, but also fits in with the aesthetics and voice of your brand. In this section, you have the ability to modify the disclaimer text. Consider personalizing this text to better reflect your website's unique policy and tone, but make sure not to remove any critical legal information. Once you're satisfied with your edits, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save option, often symbolized by an icon like a floppy disk or a similar symbol, depending on the interface. And there you have it. Your cookie banner is now enabled and customized to your liking. By following these straightforward steps, you're not just adhering to legal standards, but also providing your visitors with essential information about how their data is handled on your site. If you have any questions or run into any issues, be sure to consult Hostinger's comprehensive support resources. They offer a wealth of information to help you resolve most challenges. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on managing your website with